Well, just as we wrapped up Breast Cancer Awareness Month, one dermatologist is seeking to educate the public on the dangers of skin cancer and how to prevent it. Our Tyler Simonet has the details in this report.
The Bahamas is well known for its year-round sunny weather that has tourists from all over the world coming to enjoy those rays. One dermatologist is warning the Bahamian public that while the sunny weather may feel good, it can also be a dangerous factor leading to skin cancer. Dr. Jaime Davis has been working in dermatology for some 25 years and urges Bahamians to put sunscreen to use.
Well, so a couple things are very unique to the Bahamas. Obviously, we have the beautiful Bahamian sunshine, but that can be tough on skin types for various reasons. So in lighter skin types, we worry about skin cancer, and we see a lot of it in the Bahamas. We also worry about pigment disorders. So I have a lot of Bahamians coming to me with pigment irregularities that are caused by the sun. So use of sunscreen throughout the Bahamas is highly encouraged, and we need to kind of improve people's use of it, honestly, because it'll save a lot of trouble.
According to Davis, sunscreen shouldn't just be used when you head onto the beach for a swim, but should be considered a daily tool to protect your skin. She explains that she's found many cases of skin cancer on islands like Eleuthera due to many people having a lighter complexion, while on darker skin tones, she says it can be a bit sneakier.
You know, to some degree, but there's natural protection in the Bahamas. I mean, we have lots of diversity here, so yes, for our lighter skin Bahamians, certainly it's epidemic. Skin cancer is epidemic. When I go over to Eleuthera, we see so much skin cancer that needs to be addressed. Maybe in Nassau, we're not seeing as much of that. I mean, it just depends on the particular diversity mix of the population. But for darker skin types, though, melanoma can sneak up. It's it's sort of more common on the soles of the feet. So it's in places that may not get looked at. So sometimes we'll see, though rare, more advanced skin cancers in dark skin. Because you're right, it just isn't thought of as a thing.
Dr. Davis also explains when someone should come in if they're concerned about their skin.
So it's difficult to say when somebody should come in general. I would say if, the lighter the skin, the more sun that somebody has had. Certainly if there's any tanning bed use or history of multiple sunburns. But the kinds of things to look for when you would want to come in and let me have a look at you is if there's been a growth that has been changing or bleeding or just will not heal up or darkening even. So if there's change in anything, it doesn't even matter what kind of change. If it's just something that you're like, this thing is changing, then we should look at that.
Dr. Davis hopes that her attempt to spread awareness about the dangers of sun exposure will encourage more Bahamians to pay closer attention to preventative measures to help them avoid skin cancer. Tyler Simonet, Eyewitness News.